Okay, dear students, I am welcome to you. I am welcoming to you the online class. I am Grish Mollik, assistant teacher of Chunkuri Secondary School, Chunkuri Takop Khulna. Now I am going to class in 8 English first paper, Unit 5, Lesson 7. Dear students, in this class we have to learn about in this text, and we learned read and understand text through silent reading, listen for information, ask and answer questions, infer meaning from context, write answer to questions. Okay, dear students, here is a picture. What is this? And it is owl. And another picture is coming. What is this? This is dove. It is a dove. And another picture is coming. It is bat. Okay, dear students, you have already understood that we have to going now the class the truthful dove. Okay, dear students, read more about the three birds and find out about their fate. What? Cried the bat. Is that all you have to say to our gracious host? Is he not the wisest, bravest, and most generous to all animals and birds? Have you no praise for this noble character as well as for his goodness to us? I am ashamed to you. You do not deserve such hospitality. You do not deserve this shelter. You are an ungrateful bird, and the bat is right. You do not deserve this generous hospitality, which I have offered. Get out, be off, I say, said the owl. Yes, get lost, echoed the bat, flapping his leathery wings. The two heartless creatures fell upon the poor little dove and drove her out into the dark and stormy night. But the owl and the bat did not go unpunished for their act of heartlessness. The bat can never fly in broad daylight. In broad daylight, they has to wait. He has to wait for the sun to go down. And do you know what happened to the vain owl? Well, he is blind as long as the sun is up. He cannot hunt or feed himself unless it is dark. So the two vicious creatures with their dark heart live in the dark. On the other hand, the dove is rewarded for her truthfulness. Her name shall be used by poets as long as the old last to rhyme with love. Okay, dear students, here's some words and meanings. Keywords: gracious, that's adjective; novel, that's adjective; deserve, it's verb; hospitality, it's noun; ungrateful, it's adjective; echo, it's verb; vicious, it's adjective; Leather, adjective. Vain, it's adjective. And its meaning first is gracious. That means having in a pleasant, polite, good-hearted. Noble, its meaning having or showing fine personal qualities or high moral principles. Deserve, its meaning be worthy. Hospitality, its meaning the friendly and generous reception and entertainment of guests. Ungrateful, its meaning not fleeing or showing gratitude. Echo, its meaning reverberation. Vicious, its meaning deliberately cruel or violent. Leathery, it means with the look and feel of leather. Vain, its meaning arrogant or boastful. Okay, dear students, it's evaluation. Here are some questions to giving. I am giving you, and you have to write your answer script. Okay, dear students, first question is, why did the bat say that he was ashamed of the dove? Next question is, why was the owl angry with the dove? What did the owl and the bat do to the dove? How are the bat and the owl punished at the end? What reward did the dove get? Okay, dear students, probable answers are, first is, what did the bat say that he was ashamed of the dove? The probable answer is, as the dove said everything true about the owl, the bird said that he was ashamed of the dove. The question number 2 and its answer is, the dove said that she was grateful to him for giving food and shelter, but the owl hoped to hear more praiseworthy words from the dove, so he was angry with the dove. Question number 3 and its answer is, the owl and the bat drove the dove out into the dark in the stormy night. The answer number 4 is, both the bat and the owl were punished naturally. The bat can never fly in the broad daylight. The owl is blind as long as the sun is up. Okay, dear students, the last question's answer is, the name of the dove shall be used by poets as long as the world lasts to rhyme with love. Dear students, here's your homework. I'll give you a homework. Write the moral of the story, The Truthful Dove. Okay, dear students, thank you everybody. Thank you all. Goodbye.